Okay, I'm going to show you a tool that would allow you to easily fix red eye in your photographs. Now, probably you're wondering what's causing red eye? Well, the primary reason is actually the flash of the camera. So whenever you click your camera and you have the flash turned on, when the flash reflects off the subject's retina, it produces red eye. Okay, now there's a quick fix to this. So what you need to do is just grab that tool, which is underneath your healing brush tools. Okay, you can find it right here. It's called the red eye tool. Now, if you look at your properties panel, you will notice that there are two things that you could tweak here. First, you have the pupil size and the darken amount. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how this tool works before we could try retweaking the settings here. Okay, so let me apply it. There you go, just like magic. Okay, now if you've noticed the amount that they applied to the eyes is too dark and it doesn't look realistic at all, what you could do is hit undo, which is Control Z, and then go back here to the darken amount. So to properly blend the color, lower the value, okay, and make it look, as realistic as possible, probably a similar color to that of the eye in the photo. There you go, not too dark. And what about the pupil size? Well, there are some cases where that when you apply the effect, that it doesn't cover the entire area at all. It might appear too small. Okay, that's when you will adjust the pupil size so that you'll be able to cover the entire area that you need to cover. Okay, so that's it with the red eye tool.